Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and enjoying the best of your health. Guys, my today's video is unique and a beautiful blend of how you can design your old in use kurtis, your plain black colored fabric dresses, shirts, tops or peplums with a very beautiful, stylish and creative touch of hand embroidery art, needlework, thread art, and many more creativities that are specifically the terms attributed to the art of handwork that is specially being carried out with the help of threads. So, guys, before going further into the details, I have a simple request that if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel or you are watching my videos for the very first time, then please don't forget to subscribe, and while subscribe press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. And not only this, stay tuned for the more upcoming new videos. Guys, we try our best to share classy, trendy and amazing ideas of fashion wall, hand art, fabric painting, crochet, knitting, styling, designing, stitching and many more creativities related to women wear. All you have to do is leave the massive comments about our videos so that we could get to know what you feel about our content and what you want us to share with you in our latest upcoming videos. Guys, if you are a lover of black color, if you love to wear black color on every time, every occasion, then guys, this video collection is absolutely for you. You can just follow these color combination, just act upon these embroidery patterns and make a designer dress of your own by sitting at your home. Instead of spending a lot of money, you can just make these patterns and become a creative super hit design, all-time favorite designer of the creative famous design ideas. So black, which type of fabric is being suitable? That is, you can use summer fabric like linen, cotton, lawn and even intermixed fabric. Even you can design these patterns to give a more formal look onto velvet fabric as well. So the choice is yours. You can also renew your old in use plain black shirts, t-shirts, sweatshirts, even already in use sweaters, already in use peplum shirts, plain black kurtis. You can embroider these very beautiful patterns of hand embroidery and give them a touch of very new, sleek and creatively beautiful dress of your own. So stay tuned for the more upcoming videos. Up till then, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Help us to grow into a large and a remarkable number of YouTube friends and family members. Keep supporting us by watching our content as you always have been. We are thankful for your support and feedback.